If Blender is showing error 202, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest and safest fixes step by step. This error is usually installer related, and most of the time it comes from permission issues, corrupted setup files, antivirus interference, or an incomplete installation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to fix it and get Blender working again without guessing. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, try the fastest fix. Run Blender as an administrator. If you already have the installer downloaded, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Blender is already installed and the app won't open properly, right-click the Blender shortcut and do the same thing. Giving the installer or app elevated permissions can immediately solve error 202 when the problem is caused by blocked access during setup. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to restart your system. A simple restart can clear temporary permission conflicts, stop background processes that may be interfering with the install, and refresh any locked files that were left behind from a failed setup. After your computer restarts, try launching Blender again or rerun the installer. If the error still appears, the most reliable fix is to reinstall Blender cleanly. Before reinstalling, uninstall the current version completely. Then delete any leftover Blender folders if they remain on your system, especially anything in program files, app data, or your downloads folder if you use the same installer again and again. This helps remove corrupted installation files that may be causing the problem. Now, before you reinstall, temporarily disable your antivirus software. Sometimes security programs block Blender's installer or stop it from writing necessary files, which can trigger error 202. Turn it off only long enough to complete the installation, then turn it back on right after. If your antivirus has real-time protection or controlled folder access, make sure it is not interfering with the install process. Once that is done, download a fresh copy of Blender from the official website and run the installer again as administrator. A clean install with a new download is often enough to fix incomplete or interrupted setup issues, especially if the previous installer was damaged or failed halfway through. If Blender still won't install correctly, the next thing to do is install the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. These runtime components are required by many Windows applications, and missing or damaged versions can sometimes create installation or launch problems. Install the latest supported redistributables for your system, then restart your computer and try Blender again. Now let's check your system files, because Windows corruption can also cause unexpected installer errors. Open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the scan needs elevated permissions to repair protected files. In the command prompt window, type sfc/scannow, then press enter. Windows will scan your system files and attempt to fix any corruption it finds. This can take several minutes, so let it finish completely before closing anything. After the scan is done, restart your computer one more time and test Blender again. In many cases, one of these steps will clear error 202 right away. If the issue was caused by permissions, antivirus blocking, damaged installer files, or a corrupted Windows component, a clean reinstall combined with the system file check usually solves it. To recap the best order, run Blender as administrator, restart your PC, temporarily disable antivirus, do a clean reinstall, install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables, and finally run sfc/scannow from an elevated command prompt. That sequence gives you the best chance of fixing error 202 without wasting time. If this tutorial helped you fix Blender error 202, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also help you with other Blender errors or installation issues in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.